There is this particular product that I want to recommend for us. I'm using the product. You can see my hair. All right, guys, welcome back to High Universal Cut. So, guys, I made a video concerning on what you need to apply after you mix your dye that will help to subdue the chemical that is in that dye, right? Yeah. So today there is something I want to recommend for us. There is this particular product that I want to recommend for us. I'm using the product. You can see my hair. Now, what prompted me to do this video is because there is this one of my customer. Last week he came to cut his hair. The last one he had his hair cut, I dyed the hair. The second one he came, only shaving. I told him not to apply dye again, that I'm going to get him something I will be using. Actually, I have it, but customers were much and I don't want to disturb shey get. So after he left, the next day he came, I gave him the product. I told him to start using it instead of dyeing his hair frequently. So later he came. When I saw him from afar when he was coming, I was like, wow. I asked him how far. I just wind him. I asked him how far. He said, yeah, I applied it. I said, can you say it's okay? He said, yes. I said, okay, be using it for now. Let's see how it's going to go. Actually, my customer, he has gray hair. That is the reason why he normally dye his hair. So I told him not to dye it again, that you should be using this product I want to recommend for us. This product is what we are going to use to substitute dye. Instead of dyeing our hair frequently, anytime we cut your hair, we apply dye. This is my hair now. Look at it very. I have not dyed my hair before. I do use hair cream. I do use different products. But before I apply it, I have to make research about the product before I apply it. Before I recommend it for my customers, I have to undergo a thorough research about the product. So this product that I'm about to review and I'm about to recommend for us is very, very good. If it's not good, I will not come out here and tell you guys, because what I would like to use, I would prefer it for my customers to use as well. As well, my fans, see, we are here to interact, share what we know. I can't just come out here and tell you to go and get this. No, don't just go to the market and buy any hair product and start applying without making research about it. You get, I have a lot of it. My customers, even the ones that bought, they still came back. They were like, Henry, please, can I have more of the product? I told them, okay, I'll go to the market and get it. Remember, these products that you see, most products that you see, once it came out, the next thing you will see, people start doing the fake up and down. Yeah, that's why you need to calm down. Listen, let your barber recommend for you. You get this product I'm about to show us now. One, the reason why I love that product so much is because it has anti-dandruff. It's a product that you'll be applying, that you'll be using. It will be nourishing your hair, it will be darkening your hair, and it will be fighting dandruff. Instead of you, they will take to buy this kind of product that will fight dandruff, buy this one. This one has it. Do you understand? I'm using it. You can see my scalp. It's very, very neat, right? I'm using it. So I'm going to recommend it for us to use. Try this product and come back and thank me. And if you have any product that you are using, please comment it in the comment section. Let me know. Let me go and make research about it and tell you, because most of these products that you see, that you apply it on your hair, most of them have chemicals. Hair creams have chemicals where the way dye has. You get hair cream too also have it. But now this product, I love it. That's why I'm recommending it. I love it. Go and try it. Go and use it. Man can use it, woman can use it. And for those of us that want sporting wave, you can't have this kind of my hairstyle and expect sporting wave to cut. The first thing you need to do is to cut your hair down. Then you apply this product, this hair cream. You apply it. It will make your hair, it will bring that sporting wave on your hair. You don't need to go and be looking for that. There is a customer that came one certain time, he told me that I should get me a sporting wave. I was like, I don't think there is a specific cream for spotting wave. Now, how can spotting wave come on your head? When you brush your hair well, brush it the way it grows, oh, texture it the way the hair grows, follow it very well, be consistent on it. Before you know it, you have spotting waves. Most of them we are born with it. Understand? So this product is very very good. If it's not good, I will not recommend it. So guys, if you love this page, this channel, please subscribe, follow, like, comment and share. Invite others. This channel is basically for what? Interaction. We are going to interact together, share what we know. It is bad for you to die with what you know. Understand? Whatever you know, don't keep it as a secret. Let it out. You are building a legacy. Understand? So this program I'm about to tell us is going to help us. It's going to help you. Once you use it, come and give me feedback. If you like it, come and tell me about it. But if it's not good, I will not come and recommend it. So what is this product? What is this product? Now, look at the product I'm talking about. It is called Merit. This hair cream Merit, I've gone through it. I'm using it. I cannot recommend what I'm not using. I'm using it, and it's very very good for me. And most of my customers, they got it from me. If I go to the market, this hair cream, it has anti-dandruff, it fights dandruff, it nourishes your hair, it darkens your hair. So it's very very good. I've gone through it, I've made research about it. This hair cream does not have any harsh chemical in it. There are a lot of products that you see out there. It will look nice, right? But the chemical in it is very very harsh and it's not good. That's why you need to go through it, read through all the things that you see on the label. Understand? And this hair cream is very very dark, right? But don't be afraid. They think that because it's dark, it's going to stain your hand, right? No, it won't. It won't. Or you think that maybe if you rub it on your head and if you lie on your bed, it will stain your bed sheet or your pillowcase. No, it won't. It's very very good. I've been using it and I've been recommending it for my customers, and I've been using it and they're testifying. Some still need it. One came 2 days ago. They asked, "How far, Henry? Do you still have that hair cream?" Because I normally buy it in like 3 or 4 cartons. No, packs rather. I normally buy like that. Now it remain like 4 pieces, I guess. So if it's not good, I will not recommend it for us. I will not come out here and be telling us. Understand? So don't forget to follow this channel because we are going to learn a lot. We are going to learn a lot. We are here to everything we are doing is practical. Theory and practical. We are learning theoretically, practically. That is what we are here for. So don't forget to be part of this family. This is our universal course. Understand? And if you are using any product, please tell us in the comment section. If it's good, recommend it for us. Let me go through it and make research about it. If it's good, I'll tell them. Understand? So don't forget, this is Merit. Try this hair cream instead of it to be dyeing your hair always. Instead of it to be applying dye always. Try this hair cream because this hair cream does not have harsh chemical. It does not contain chemical that will cut your hair or that will injure your scalp. No. Rather, it will fight anti-dandruff, nourishes your hair, darken the hair the way you want dye to be darkening your hair, right? This hair cream is going to do it. I love it. I'm using it. That is why I'm recommending it. Understand? So guys, don't forget. And hey, I want to tell us that in my next video, I'm going to tell us what causes bumps. What causes bumps? You people think that it's clipper that causes bumps, right? It's not clipper. I'm going to tell us what causes dye. What causes all these bumps? I'm going to tell us. Understand? Don't forget. This is our universal court. Be part of this family. If you are not following us, try to follow us. Try to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's interact. Understand? Thank you all. I love you all. This is our universal court.